Hey everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So I know it's been a little bit of a while since I've done a video. So today I'm actually going to be doing the YouTubers Nail Art Weekly stamping collabs. This week I'm actually the host. I haven't hosted one in a really long time, and I actually haven't done a collab in a while either because I've been kind of busy doing different stuff. So this week I decided that the theme would be water marble stamping. So we decided that we could use any water marble stamping plate that you had and yeah, create a design. So as always, I will have everyone's pictures at the very end of the video, and I will have their links down below in the description box. So be sure to check everyone out. They always do an amazing job. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you like what you see. I am usually more active on YouTube than I have been in the last little bit, but I am going to try and get back into it. But yeah, so definitely check out everyone's videos, and if you are an active YouTuber and want to join in our group, just leave a comment down below. So we're going to go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so currently on my nails, I have gel nails on. First off, I started with my Bio Seaweed Gel. This is the stronger base one. I did one coat of that and cured it. And then I have, again, Bio Seaweed Gel. This is the three-step color, and this one is 58 Peony. And then I used a top coat, so I used also Bio Seaweed Gel, and this is the No Wipe top coat. And then I decided to add some powder, so I added these flaky kind of glitters. I think I got these from, I don't know if I got these actually in my Manny box or if I got them from, I think I did. I think I got these in a Manny box. That might be why they don't have a label on them. Or either that or I got them from Beauty Big Bang. I'm sorry, I can't remember, but I'm feeling it might be from my Manny box. I can't remember. And so that is what the two nails right there are. They're kind of flaky glitters. And then for the other nails, it's kind of like a light blue holographic powder. It's from the Born Pretty store. So this one, I also don't have a name on it. Sorry guys. But if you do decide to stop by the Born Pretty store, you can use my code ALLEX31. Wow, I'm really off with doing videos. And then you can get 10% or yeah, 10% off the stuff. Anyways, yes, so that is what I have on my nails. And then again, I top coated obviously with the powders again after I finish those. So now we're going to do some water marble stamping. I'm going to be using some new products actually. I'm going to be testing out this beadometry stamper that I got in a Manny box a little while ago and I kind of totally forgot about. So we're going to test that out, see how it works. And then I also got this in my Manny box. This is the Moira top coat, and it's for stamping. So we'll see how that goes. And then also we're going to try out the Born Pretty store. This is the White Knight series. This is the BPWN04 pure white stamping polish. And we're going to try out the silver one, I think, too. This is also White Knight series BPWN02 Time Fly. And then I'm going to be using Beauty Big Bang, and this is a 001. I thought that might kind of look good, so we'll see how it goes. And then we're going to use the stamping plate from Queen Cosmetics. This is the Marble Paradise 01. I have not decided on the image yet, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I think we're going to use this image right here. I'm going to start with my stamper. All I did was use a lint-free wipe to make sure there's nothing on it. It seems quite sticky, so we will see how it goes. Oh, lost my lid there. There we go. And we're just going to kind of make stripes and see what we can do with this stamping polish. I'll use the scraper here. Not bad, actually. Let's see if these colors actually look okay on. I think I like the silver and the white, but I don't know if I like that stamp. I think it's not what I'm going for. Hold on. Alright, I think we're going to go for this image. That one was just, I don't know. It didn't look like what I wanted it to look like. This stamping polish has a very strong smell. The Born Pretty Star, by the way, just in case you're, that's something that bothers you. I did intentionally mean to wipe it twice, but it is stamping quite well. Yeah, I like that. Looks marbly. Alright, let's try another one. Sorry, this is kind of spur of the moment a little bit. Yeah, that's a really strong smell. Alright, I think we'll do silver at the bottom this time. White in the middle again. Kind of turned out cool. There you go. You can see that. I don't know for sure if I like it over this color, but it will have to do now. Anyways. I definitely like the silver and the white. I just don't know about the blue. So the stamper is stamping quite well. Polish seems to be pretty good too. Scraper, I keep switching in between, but I will probably do another video. That turned out pretty well. I'm just going to do the 3 nails, I think. And then I'm going to use that top coat. I'm going to see if it does not smudge it. So that's the Moira. I'm guessing that's kind of the intent there. So let's see. Get focus. Oops, way too much. I guess it's not really smudging it. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go clean up my nails and I will be back. Alright, and that is the finished design. Not bad for a quick last minute thing. I really liked the stamper. Stamping polish was good, except for the smell was a little bit strong. Like, I can still smell it. Wasn't a huge fan of that. Sorry, it keeps unfocusing. And top coat seems okay. I don't know, it didn't really smudge, so far so good. I will have to try it out again, and yeah, I think that's all the stuff that I tried in this video. Anyways, so that is everything for today. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks, bye.